Good morning, everybody. How do you feel today? Say it loud so you can hear how you feel. Thank you for saying how you feel. I feel thankful. You want to know why? Well, I'd like to tell you why. I feel thankful because last week here on Good Morning, Mr. Channing, I ran my first ever in my whole life fundraiser. I was asking you all to please help out and contribute, to give some money so that we could put it all into a big pot. Not literally a big pot, but put it all together. Put it all together into a bank account and then use it to do something good. And the good thing that we did with all that money is that we paid some folks who work at a restaurant called Cafe Gabriella in downtown Oakland, 10th and Broadway. Excellent restaurant, excellent people. We paid those folks to make some meals, some hot, delicious meals made with love, and to bring those meals to some folks who really need them right now. Some folks who need a hot meal because they're hungry, because they feel discouraged, because they feel scared. Because sometimes when you eat a meal made by someone who knows that you matter, it reminds you that you matter. And you do matter. You know what I mean? Last week, I had never run a fundraiser before in my whole life, and I hoped that we would get $1,000. I didn't know if it would happen. $1,000 is a lot of money. You want to know what happened? We didn't make $1,000. Instead, we made a little bit more. You want to see how much money you all put together? You want to see? I drew a picture of it. Now, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000. We did it, but look, it keeps going up. You want to see what happens next? All right, can we stick these together? 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000. But it keeps going up. You want to see what happened? 2,000, 2,100, 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 2,500, 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000. $3,100, $3,200, $3,250. Actually, this number is low up here at the top. It was $3,253.25. Can you believe it? I thought I was going to make maybe $1,000, and instead, you all contributed so much, you cared so much, you sent so much money to help feed some folks that we did more than triple how much I hope to get. Can you believe it? I can, because I know how much you all care about showing people that they matter. You know what I mean? That's why I love reading to you. That's why I love spending time with you here. Because I know how hard you work to make sure everybody knows that they matter. I want to say thank you to some people, and then I want to talk about where that money's going. I want to say thank you to everybody who contributed. 54 people. It's a lot of names. You ready? Caitlin, Ryan, Anne, Katie, Michelle, Catherine, Elliot, Tessa, Emily, Barbara Jean. That's my mom. Thank you, Mom. Becky, Amy, Crystal, Jamaica, Marge, Becca. That's my sister. Thank you, Becca. Darlene, Bo, Yvonne, Russell, Amy, Lauren, Kate, Julianne, Lila, Mary, Abigail, Jonathan, Lindsay, Christine, Jack, Tommaso, Cindy, Sophia, Leslie, Carmen, Helen with 2 L's, Colleen, Burke, Kendra, Gregory, Jean, Kevin, Josh, Tiffany, Caitlin, Joey, Sophie, Hazel, Maggie. That's my cousin Maggie. And by the way, Bo is my cousin too. I don't know why I forgot to say that he's my cousin. Thank you, Bo. Thank you, Maggie. Cabell, Aaron, Greg, and one anonymous donor. Anonymous means that they didn't want me to say their name. That's all right. 54 people. I said 53, but 53 people whose names I can say, and plus one person whose name they didn't ask me not to say. 54 people pitched in. So with that $3,253.25, what we did is that we took that to Cafe Gabriella and the people who work in the restaurant there in the kitchen. They made 150 meals, delicious, hot, nutritious meals that'll make anybody feel good after they eat them. Some of them vegetarian, some of them with meat. And they brought them to a place called St. James Infirmary in San Francisco. St. James Infirmary has been doing very good work to help folks who need it for a long time. And they fed the folks at St. James Infirmary. And next week, they're going to take 150 meals to the folks at East Oakland Collective. And they're going to feed the folks there, folks who need some help too. And there's some money left over. There's $253.25, and that money is going in cash to the folks who work at Cafe Gabriella to say thank you. Thank you for your work. Thank you for treating people like they matter. Thank you for making such delicious food. Let's call it a tip. Folks, I just want to take this video to say thank you so much for helping out. It really makes a big difference. And some of you sent some money. Some of you told other people this is happening. Some of you just sat and watched the videos of me reading books, because I did read books all week to keep reminding you about this fund drive. I read 8 books last week, and I was a little tired by the end of it. And if you want to watch me reading any of those 8 books, those videos are still up here on YouTube or on Instagram, wherever you're watching this. I hope you'll go back and watch them, because they're all wonderful books about cooking and food and about people who matter. That's all I want to say in this video, except one more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you.